Alright guys, welcome back to another Fight Motorsports Protection. Anyway, so today we're going to be working on the Duramax and getting this stuff in there. Oh, the box is closed. But yeah, anyway, we're going to get the exhaust hopefully off of that one. I know the stack's kind of a pain to get off the back, but yeah, we're going to work on that. I'm going to pull it out a little bit, give me some more room in here to, well, maybe I won't. Maybe I'll just leave it. Might just work the best. I don't know. I'm not sure yet. So anyway, might just leave it where it is, but we got to get the current exhaust out, obviously, and get the new one in, and move forward with that. My wife needs to use this here in a few weeks, so I want to get this done and out of my hair, because the motor is coming for this guy tomorrow. So we'll be putting, of course, a video together for that install. Get that done and out of my hair. And then after I'm done doing this, or after this, I'm done working on this today, I have a surprise that we will post on this video too. So I did want to do, for my own scientificness of myself, whatever. I want to fire it up. I'm just curious what it sounds like now versus after we put the exhaust on. I'm hoping for it quieter inside the cab and quieter. I don't really care about outside, but you know, I like a nice sound, but just I want it quieter in the cab. So I'm gonna set you guys right here. Yeah, that'll work. And we're gonna fire this thing up. I'll probably bring it in the cab too. Bring you inside the cab here and just get an idea. Like I said, this is kind of for science. Oh, turn that off before I get in trouble. Yeah, so you can still hear it pretty drastically here. Yeah, it's much quieter than out there, but it's definitely still pretty loud, and it's very drony when you're driving a long haul. So I'm hoping that, like I said, it'll get quieter out here but have a nice sound outside, and we'll be winning. So we're gonna get started working on this, and I'll see you guys on the flip side. Alright guys, it took a little bit longer than I thought, so let's do our scientific test and see what she sounds like. Set you right where I was before. I won't be able to see it yet, but we will. Go. It's a lot better, man. It's not as loud. It's still loud, but it's not as loud. So we'll check the inside of the cab here. Still loud, but it's not too bad. So, but there, I revved it up a little bit. That's where it was before. So much better. I'm happy. Cool. Turn this bad boy off. So it wasn't too bad. They didn't explain the hangers very well, so I'm back and forth with hangers. Oh boy, better turn this off before I get in big trouble with YouTube. Yeah. Boom. Okay, there, that's off. So it wasn't too bad. Didn't use the extender pipe because I don't have a long bed. Just the worst part was getting off the old one. You know, I had to use a freaking a come along to pop it loose. The only thing I don't like is how it comes out. It comes out really far out here. Can you see? Yeah, you can. So I'd like it to swing out a little further this way, but because it's gonna just a bunch of stuff on that mud flap. So yeah, we'll have to figure something out. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do yet. Either I'm going to try and bend it myself, which is never a good idea because I don't have a mandrel bender, or I'll take it to an exhaust shop and see if they can make that angle a little bit tighter on there. Yeah, but anyway, we got it. I want to get a couple. I need to get a. No, I don't have to get one of those, but I need to get the transmission mount is missing. I want to get that. But past that, I had all the hangers sitting there, rubber hangers, so we're good. So, not too bad. I'm sorry about the movement and then the bad angles. I was just not paying attention to where you guys were. And then I had a little helper. I think she popped in to the video a few times, so she was messing around with the camera a little bit. So, apologize for that, but not too bad of an install. Did have an issue with the clamp. The nut stripped out royally on me. So yeah, I have a nice little spacer now, but of course it's not a normal thread, but I luckily had a 1/4 inch 28 thread floating around, so I was able to find that and build that. So yeah, so I also wanted to kind of point out I've got all the exhaust parts painted. I don't know how that just fell down right there. That's new. That hadn't fallen down before. Not cool. Anyway, there's that, and then the other one's hanging there on the pressure washer. You know, it looks a lot better. Sanded it down a little bit, got rid of all the junk, but it's still looks like it's streamed out on me. Ouchie. We'll put it there. But the surprise. Last video I'd said how much I was hoping I could get this forward. Didn't know if I was going to be able to do it. Ended up the dude couldn't get his buddies to help me out. I hope I didn't put this in another video already. I don't think I did. But here it is. 1970 Ford F-250 Sport Custom. So it's a two-wheel drive. My neighbor said, hey, you gotta be careful. Some of them have a low hump in there, and some of them have a high hump. And I'm like, oh my God, you've got to be kidding me. Luckily, high hump, so we can do this. The secondary tank isn't going to work with my model, so either I've got to find a smaller rear tank or fill that hole, which would really stink. That'd be a lot of work to fill that hole, but might have to do that. But yeah, it's in pretty darn good shape. You know, standard dents and things, but the rust, no major rust going on, little things you gotta fix. Definitely gonna be a great hole filler with, I'm gonna do some lead hole filling. That'll be the first time ever doing that, but we'll have to pound these down where they belong and then go ahead and fill them up so we can get it done right. You know, you got all these holes for all these little rivets and stuff. It's always a blast. So, but yeah, really good shape. Should be able to make it work. We'll have a few little things we'll have to fix and figure out. It's missing this panel here that would have covered over this tubing. It's not a part or piece that comes with them very often, so yeah, we'll figure that out and go from there. But yeah, next project will be to take off all the body panels, and my neighbor's gonna help me out moving it. The only issue that I've seen is there's a little bit of Bondo right here on this side. Feels like there's maybe a little bit here too, I'm not sure. But it's a little bit up here. And then there's some that's actually fallen out because they didn't do a very good job over here. So this all needs to be torn out, sandblasted, and readdressed. But see, this is green, so I'm wondering if there's a little bit. Seems like there's a little bit right here. But everything else sounds, maybe a little bit right here too. But it's not too bad. Should be able to make it work. But pretty excited about it. So that's the next project. Got a lot of projects going on right now, but we're gonna keep on moving and get everything done and go from there. So thanks for watching, and like, subscribe, share. Everything helps to promote the channel, and I appreciate everybody that has watched my videos, and like, subscribe, comment, blah blah blah, all that good stuff. And until next time, guys, peace.